Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a small application with C# and how to create a setup for this application. So this application is a Windows form. So we begin by creating the Windows form, settings, the name of the project and the location of the project and the framework version. Next. The form is very simple. It is only a text box. The user enter the password. If it is right password, if it is correct, then it show him a message box saying successful, else it will say failure. So we begin creating the components of this form. In the toolbox, we search for label, we drag drop, we search for text box, also we drag it to the form. We change the name of label to password. We have to follow the naming convention. Personally, I prefer to, if it is a label, to put LBL, then the name of the label. For example, LBL password, TXT password. The naming should be very clear. Even it is long, it should be very clear. And it should be meaningful. Never name a text box or a label or whatever small naming without meanings. Then we search for button and we place our button in the forum and we change the name to btn login. And this is it. It's very simple form. Now we enter to the code behind. So if the password is not empty and the password, the text box password is equal to Joe11 whatever, then throw a message box saying successful. Else say failure. Then we build our solution and we test our program. Okay, it's not that complicated program, but at least to show the beginners how the things are done. Now, after we created our project, let's create a second project in this solution for setup. So we choose the setup and we rename the project name of the setup project. You can place it in whatever location you want. I will place it in the same project location. And here there is 3 folders. The first folder, I will open it. Right click, add project output. Okay. And I will create a shortcut on the desktop. So let me build first, and I will create the shortcut in the desktop. I will rename the shortcut name. And I will build the solution. After we finish build, we open the file location of the setup project, right-click, File, Open Location. In this case, we open the debug folder. It depends on your project mode, and we double-click on the setup. And next, very easy setup. And icon appear on the desktop after the setup is complete. And this is it. This is our software. This is our application. Very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Thank you for watching.